Squeaks! Hey, Squeaks! No such luck. Oh, Tony's handsome. Handsome Tony. Handsome. Squeaks? Why is your name Squeaks? Lexi? Lexi? Squeaks? That's not Squeaks, it's Tony. What do you say, Squeaks? Oh, you're a good boy. My Tony. I love you. What can I say? Yeah? Good boy. Squeaks? Squeaks! Oh, you're peeing. Okay, never mind. Tony doesn't pee. Jasper. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tony's taking me over. Ah, he's gone.